So, good morning, students. Today we have to do lesson 10, that is the apostrophe is. So, in this sentence, see the sentence first. What do you mean by apostrophe? So, apostrophe is a punctuation mark that is used in English writing. So, our chapter is of the apostrophe S. So, we use apostrophe when we want to show that something belongs to someone or something. Okay, apostrophe means when we want to show the ownership that this thing belongs to someone or something. Like, see the example here. Manya is playing with the doll. See this example. Manya is playing with the doll. So in this, Manya's doll can talk. So this shows that we are talking about the doll of Manya. Means this doll belongs to Manya. So we can also say that like this, Manya's doll. Okay, in short form, when we talk about that something belongs to someone, like this doll belongs to Manya, we can also say like this, Manya's doll can talk. So see this here, Manya doll means the doll belonging to Manya. And next example is, the elephant trunk is very long. Here elephant's trunk means the trunk belonging to the elephant. So what we have done here, we have put the elephant's trunk. It shows that we are talking about the trunk of an elephant. Okay, here elephant trunk means the trunk belonging to the elephant. So we can also write that by putting apostrophe and then s. Okay, this is the apostrophe sign. Then we have to put s to show the belongingness. Okay, belonging, that this thing belong to someone or something. Now see this. Apostrophe s is used to show belonging. Now I have given these two examples. This apostrophe s is used to show belonging, means the ownership, that this thing belong to someone or something. Now see this exercise A. Rewrite these expressions using apostrophe s. So if we say the doll belonging to Nisha, we can also write it as Nisha's doll. So how we will write this? Nisha's doll. The tail of the dog means the dog's tail. Okay, when we are talking about the tail of the dog, means we are talking about the tail of this dog, then we can also say the dog's tail. The house belonging to Ravi, I will send you the answer key also, but only see here, I am saying the house belonging to Ravi. We can also write Ravi's house. Okay, by putting Ravi, then apostrophe, then s. Okay, Ravi's house. Okay, it shows that this house belongs to Ravi. The nest belonging to the bird, it means we are talking about this nest and it belongs to the bird. So we can also say bird's nest. Okay, bird's nest. The book belonging to Sonia, we can also say this book is of Sonia. This book belongs to Sonia. We can also write Sonia's book. The horns of the bull, bull's horns. Okay. The pencil belonging to Vinay means this pencil is of Vinay. Vinay is the owner of this pencil, so we can also write Vinay's pencil. Okay. So this is the first rule. So first of all, the apostrophe s shows belonging, that we are talking about the thing that belongs to someone or something. Okay. This shows. Now read this sentence next. Nilesh is Rahul's brother. So in this here, Rahul's brother shows that Rahul and Nilesh, they are related. This shows the relation between Nilesh and Rahul. So the sentence is Nilesh is Rahul's brother. So this shows the relation between Rahul and Nilesh, that Rahul is Nilesh's brother. Okay. Now next is Rohini's school is in Noida. So here Rohini's school means the school in which Rohini studies. So we are talking about the school in which Rohini studies. So we can also say Rohini's school. Like you are studying in this school and the parents also say na, this is Diya's school. Okay, this is Hardik's school. So this shows that in which school you study is that, okay, this belongs to you, that this is your school, you study in this school. So we can say apostrophe S is also used to show something is related to another. It shows the relation also and the ownership also, that this thing belongs to someone or something, and it show also the relation also. Okay. Now see these sentences, rewrite these expressions using apostrophe S. Okay. Sister of Meena, how we can write this? Meena's sister. When we are talking about sister of Meena, Meena's sister. The movies in which Ranbir has acted, Ranbir's movies. The school in which Varun studies, we can write Varun's school. I will send you the answer key also. See this, Varun's school. The office in which Jyoti works, Jyoti's office. Okay, this shows when we put apostrophe here. See this, when we put apostrophe here like Jyoti's office. Jyoti's office. Okay, the office in which Jyoti works, so we can also write Jyoti's office. It means this office belongs to Jyoti. Okay, in which Jyoti is working, it is Jyoti's office. Father of Suhana, we can also write Suhana's father. Okay, the teacher who teaches Madhu, Madhu's teacher. Okay, Madhu's teacher. The movies in which Salman has acted, so we can also say na Salman's movies. Okay, that when we watch some movies we say na these are Salman's movies. Salman's movies means this show that these are the movies of Salman. Okay, so see this, when nouns talk about more than one thing. Another rule. Now first rule you have studied, this shows the belonging of something or someone. Okay, that this thing belongs to someone or something. Now when noun talk about more than one thing, जब एक से ज़्यादा की बात करते हैं, you have done singular and plural nouns. So when we talk about more than one thing, they usually end in S. Okay, like pen, pens, dog, dogs, tail, tails, book, books. So when we talk about plural nouns, so mostly they end in S. So in such cases what we have to do, we have to add only apostrophe. This is the sign. So no need to, if S is already there, like in dogs S is already there. So if we have to change into possessive, okay, if we have to add apostrophe S, so in this to show the belonging, what we have to do, as S is already there, we have to add only apostrophe. Like the example is the tails of the dogs. So in plural nouns S is already there, so we have to add only apostrophe. Like the dog's tails, in this S is already there, so हमें apostrophe कहाँ लगाना है? After the S. Okay, after S we have to put apostrophe. Like the books belonging to the students, in this S is already there in students books. So S is already there, so we have to put only apostrophe here. Okay, S is, so in plural noun, so you have to remember this, in plural nouns those end with S. ओके, नॉट ऑल एंड विद एस, सभी तो एस से एंड नहीं होते, बट दोज नाउन्स दैट प्लूरल नाउन दैट एंड विद एस we have to add apostrophe only after them. Like when we are talking about students, this is plural and we have to add apostrophe after that. Okay, not apostrophe s, the students books. Okay, now is see this examples. The dresses belonging to the girls. So we are talking about the dress that are of the girls. So we can also say girls dresses. So in this girls s is already there, so we have to put only apostrophe. Girls dresses. The shoes belonging to ladies, we can also say ladies, then apostrophe only, ladies shoes. The shirts belonging to the boys, we can say boys shirts. Okay, the toys belonging to the babies, as s is already there, this is plural, so we have to add only apostrophe, babies toys. The bags belonging to the guests, guests bags. Okay, so see this. Now rewrite these sentences using apostrophe or apostrophe s. So in these sentences you have to choose where you have to put only apostrophe and where you have to put apostrophe s. So the bag carried by Rahul is very heavy. This is singular. सिंगुलर में तो एस नहीं है, राहुल्स तो नहीं है, तो वी कैन से राहुल्स बैग. ओके, बाय पुटिंग apostrophe s, Rahul's bag. The office of my father is in Delhi, so we can say my father's office. Okay, father's. Okay, we will put apostrophe s, then office. The hostel of the boys is closed for Diwali. So in this s is already there. Okay, in boys it is plural, so we have to put only apostrophe after the s. The boys hostel, only apostrophe we have to put. Okay, so in this what we have to put, only apostrophe after the boys. Boys apostrophe hostel. The school of the girls, girls is there, is beside the hospital, so girls apostrophe school. Please check whether the shoes of the students are clean or not. Students shoes. Okay, s is already there, so this you have to remember. Where in plural, when we talk about plural noun, we have to make possessive nouns of them, then we have to add only apostrophe after that. Students shoes. Please check whether the students shoes are clean or not. Okay, revise this again and do very neatly in your book. I will send you the answer key. Thank you students and have a nice day.